Welcome to the Seagull Spectacular, where dreams and reality blur into one weird and wonderful world.
Pirates, cowboys, stand-up comedians. What's next?
When I was 10 years old, I went to the theatre and I can honestly say that it changed my entire life. And with this show, we're passing on that magic of theatre to children no matter what their background.
I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so confused.
Sounds like to me you need to screw your head back on. To dream or not to dream? That is the question.
At the Flying Seagull Project, we really do believe in the power and the right and the joy of dreams. With this show, it's a mixture. It's traditional, it's comedy, it's pantomime, it's completely bizarre. But everybody should walk out feeling that lovely spring in their step where they realise that the world is a big playground, that life's a game, and that they should smile while they play it.
Really inspirational stuff.